Oh, I'm not even finna get into it right now. Let's do this. Let's start. I'll talk to you after.
Like, bro, but I was recording earlier to see if everything's working fine. Like, I just got on like a random game like GTA or whatever.
Yeah,
Like, it feels so weird holding a controller
it really does, bro.
after being on just using a mouse and keyboard.
Yeah, I'm finna start though. I'm finna start. Oh, what the?
Like, play custom
Should we do a
games.
tutorial or should we not do it?
Nah, bro, bump it. Let's do it right now.
Yeah, no tutorial. We finna go in. Raw.
Like noise too. Like noise.
Blaze psyche.
Like static.
Blaze psyche.
Select character. Yeah,
Select character. Select creature. Wait, can we be on the same team?
Bro,
or
look
we...
at these. Look at these characters, bro.
Let me see.
Look at Icar,
Ew.
bro.
What is he?
Oh, so they
Oh, is that his
face?
face? I thought that was a mask.
Bro, look at Phileas, huh? Felice?
Bro, look at Felice, bro.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
What does he look like?
Bro, look at Anna, bro. Oh my god.
Oh, Anna, Iker, Anna.
Bro, they got stats though. I like that.
And they definitely down for the cause. If you know, you know.
I'm gonna keep it a buck. I might.
What am I finna be?
Of course they give the one nigga endurance. Upset.
Oh, they give him big boy and intimidating. Bro, that is racist, bro. Intimidating? Bro, I know what they doing, bro. Okay, they give him endurance, but he has a 4 speed, bro. I need somebody with like who has good speed. Renko? Bro, I'm finna be Renko, bro.
Bro, I wanted to be Renko.
Bro, I wanna be Renko. She got a 6 speed, bro.
Well, I'm already Renko, so can we both be?
Bro, y'all see how he playing, bro? Oh my god,
I was literally talking about Renko first, bro.
No, you literally wasn't, bro.
Bro, yes, I literally did, bro. Like,
No,
bro,
you
I'm
wasn't,
recording
bro.
right now, bro.
You literally wasn't, bro.
I can literally.
I'm not. Don't even know
the part where I mentioned it. Like,
oh, whatever, bro. I'm finna be
a basic flashlight. That's that. That's all.
Bro, everybody else is so whack, bro.
Okay, I don't know what that took me to.
I'm finna be the brother.
Look at her stance, bro.
Don't you dare
I leave
get in my way,
bro. That nigga like my eye.
They don't call me big boy for nothing, bro. Like, stop it, bro. My traits was big boy and intimidating, bro. I don't even know what you just. I don't even know what you just said, bro. Cause Discord did something weird, bro. It was like, dude. Wait, where you at?
Yeah. Okay, there you go. Oh, don't tell me I gotta find you.
Wait, where you at?
Brother.
Why is my character walk so slow?
Look how this camera move. Oh god.
Oh, why does my character walk so slow?
What is this in my ear, bro?
Bro, you walking slow or is it just me?
No, we kind of just chilling, bro. God, that wrinkle in the
Oh,
middle of your
like
forehead. Nigga, what is
why they got those on Terraria? Going down caves. Hey, look. Ew, what? Bro, what is that, bro? Can we kill it?
Shouting, your teammate can see. But there's not. What?
What?
I don't know, bro.
Idols too. What is that? Oh, we should have watched it. Dre, you. Oh, okay.
We should have.
Dre, do you see that?
See what? Whatever my thought.
What is that?
Oh, bro, he right
Oh,
there, bro.
flashlight. How do I flash it? Bro, what is happening to my character, bro? You can run with LT.
What is, bro? Where did you go, bro? Where did you go?
Bro, I'm right here, bro. I'm right here. Bro. Is my flashlight on? Okay.
Yeah,
Detachable chat.
Yeah.
Bro, why is my screen doing that?
Watch out!
Idle. What is an idle?
I'm just. Oh, what just happened? I am so confused.
Am I dying? What is this?
Like, what is happening, bro? Bro, I am so confused.
Bro,
What is that? Dre, do you see that?
compass. Oh, I got a
Bro, is that the
compass.
monster? Oh my god, bro. Run for your life. Creature has disabled flashlight.
Nah, bro, I can't see, but I saw that had a key on me. Run for the die, 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 bro.
Bro, I know you did not just scream, bro. I know you did not. Bro, I see you over there getting choked out, bro.
Help me, bro. Don't you dare.
Bro, I'm trying. Bro, what?
Nah, bro, we gonna have to watch this. So I know I should watch the tutorial before. Ooh.
Yo, we finna watch tutorials, bro. Bro, I forgot to change my character, bro. Bro.
Oh, you Anna. Hold on, bro. Stop moving. Anna kind of thick with you. Wait a minute.
Wait, stand still?
Hey, bro. You ain't nothing back there, bro.
Not crouch or something? Like, there's no crouch button? Like, ooh. Wait, bro, what, bro? Wait.
Nothing, bro. Nothing. Look at these pictures on the wall, bro. Look at Buddy posing right
Why
here,
this
bro.
game got good graphics a little bit?
Yeah. See Buddy posing right there, Buddy Geeko.
Yeah, bro, is that the actual picture? Or did they, like, do something to it? Like,
Alright, bro.
I don't know.
You know? Oh god, bro. You know this place is huge, bro.
oh, if you switch off your flashlight, the creature will have a harder time finding. Okay, so what's the actual, like, what's the goal?
You are harder to detect, but will move slower.
Don't look at me like that.
You scared me, bro.
Like,
Oh god.
recharge
Oh,
battery.
what was that?
What
Oh,
was
battery.
that?
Cool. It's a battery.
All running, you make.
I can't see a thing over here though. Okay, that's just a wall. Ooh, that's another battery right here. You see that battery right there?
But I don't see you back. Wait, what?
Right here.
Wait, bro. Oh,
It's a battery on the couch.
wait. How do I turn my flashlight on again? B. Yo.
Hey,
Okay, should I pick this
picture
up?
looking at me. Yeah. I don't know where the battery thing is. I don't know how you know when to change it. What was
It's
that?
like
Oh.
it's like a circle. You see that circle next to the B button on your screen?
Yeah, I forgot about the
Yeah.
flares. Anything in here?
Yo, why does this mannequin? Golly.
Where you are? Oh, let me see. Oh, Jesus Christ. I ain't gonna say it. But
Like-
Jesus Christ, bro.
Like, hey, God.
Turn the flashlight
You-
up, bro. Turn the flashlight up.
Oh yeah.
Is that it? Look at this creepy, bro. These family pictures.
Oh, I
kinda-
see. I see your battery just in case you need it. Your battery just in case you need it, bro. Just in case. What are we
This
looking
place is
for,
huge,
bro?
We're looking for clues. I forgot what for but where you going? Where you going?
Huh?
Oh, you went that way?
Yeah.
I was going this way.
Okay.
You got it.
My fault. Alright.
The compass
Oh,
was
compass.
something around here. I gotta wait for my recharge.
Oh my god, bro. Why is the cooldown so... Okay, so it's this way. It's this way.
Oh, is that a radio? I hear static.
Are we even allowed to sprint right now? It's not letting me sprint.
What the?
Oh, bro. Oh, oh, whoa.
Run away.
Bro, it's not letting me sprint. It's not letting me. Bro, it's not letting me sprint.
Hey, bro, where you at, bro?
Oh, I'm back. What the?
I'm dead, bro. I'm gonna die, bro.
Hello. I got you.
It's LC to run.
Yeah, I had changed it to clicking the stick, but that still won't work. I'm trying, but I can't sprint, bro. Like, look at me.
Change it real quick, bro.
I'm glad you looked at it, bro, because I barely looked at mine, bro. Nonsense worries. Try to stay away from it. Oh.
Fuck you, nigga.
Hey, come on. What? Where you at, bro? I'm not going, yo. Bro, how did you even... Bro, are you serious, bro?
You need to do something about this.
Bro, in fact, I'm gonna do something about it right now. Oh, I'm wrinkled. Wrinkled. Big wrinkle.
I'm this big.
You look like who are you trying to be? The president? Like, stay behind me, bro. Oh, you right.
I did not mean it. He right there, bro. He right there, bro.
Huh?
Oh, brother.
Oh my god, bro.
I can't see, bro. My screen.
He burned. He burned. Bro, I can't. Oh, this. Oh my god, bro.
Oh, he's right there. You jump? You don't jump. Alright. Where is he at, bro? He's somewhere around here.
Oh, why are there so many
right there, bro.
idols?
He's right there, bro. He's right there, bro.
No, sit down. Sit. Oh, what? Oh my god, bro. Bro, why are there two idols? Like, bro, look how many. I can't see a thing, bro.
You interact with this? Like, bro, I don't understand this game, bro.
Me either, bro. Like,
where is he at? This whatever thing just grew out the ground. Where did you go? Oh, he right there, bro. No, he right.
bro, what? Oh no. Bro. I'm trying to get away from this idol, bro. I can't. Bro, it's like when I change the controls, it doesn't work. Like,
where did you go?
Right here, bro.
I just need to not to walk. Oh, what the? He right there.
Bro, I've been devoured, bro. I'm gonna get this figured out. What do I do now? Do I just... Banish idol.
Uh-oh, I'm gonna die. It's GG. Just raps. Nope. I go.
Died.
Okay, this ugly nigga, bro.
Literally, bro. Where you at? Oh,
What the? Are we inside or outside? Why do the stars look like this?
what the?
What is this? Oh,
What the? Wait.
What do you get started? Back up.
I don't even know where to go.
Yeah.
Bro.
Why is it so dark without the flashlight? These look like tentacles.
What? Look like horrible. But like stick. Doing that. Oh, who's my character? Like, what
I feel like
character am I?
Let's go this way. Let's go this way.
I can't see you. I can't see you. There you go.
I think I'm right.
Oh,
I'm
God.
right here.
Oh. How you doing, man? How you doing, man?
What's up, man? I'm trying to figure out how to play this game.
You switch off.
Yo, look at this nigga. They go to the bus. Okay. Are we supposed to come here or what?
Bro, I don't understand it. Oh, you found the tape. Okay, now what?
Some heat, some energy.
Oh,
Flowing out of the earth.
I don't need one right now. Oh, it's gonna... Unless you need
Can I
it.
take it?
Okay, hey, this way.
Play RV for contextual chat. What?
Yeah, I don't know, but I see something. Hold on.
What is that sound?
Wait, what you hear? Where's the idol at? Where's the idol at? Where's the idol at? Where's the idol at? Where is the idol at?
Third position to the creature. Idols try to. Oh. I'm
Oh, it's
assuming
an
idols
idol.
are those red.
It's them blobby things, bro. Them things that just be sitting there. Not these, but you know them. Right, bro. Right.
Oh, you're right there.
Okay. Leave. I can't see.
No, burn.
I got him.
Good move.
Yeah.
Hey, turn your thing up. Let's go light sticks. Oh, that's an idol. That's an idol.
Oh, I can't see. I got some. Hold on, let me press X.
Bro, how are we supposed to get to where we?
Oh,
What?
no! Bro, he snuck
What?
up on me, bro.
Oh my god, bro. Look like you dead. Oh, okay. Oh, the clue is this way though. Oh, the clue is this way.
Maybe I'm thinking we can go around this way though.
Bro, that idol is like, I don't know, bro. You just sitting in the road, like move. Battery, I need that. Give me, yep. Appreciate it.
Can't use that yet. You know, it's saying it's over here. It's something over here.
Bro, are you serious? You choking me, bro. You choking me out, bro. Oh my god, bro. What the? Yeah, you going?
The thing was telling me it's this way.
Oh, the little nightstick, feel me? Feel me?
Nightstick, huh?
Nightstick. Nightstick.
That makes sense.
Nightstick.
I mean,
I mean, it is a nightstick. Like,
yeah.
the stick,
Yeah.
it's a stick that you can use at
I
night.
see it. I see a tape.
You bro, okay.
I think I saw something coming out of the thermal
This way,
water.
bro, this way, bro, this way, bro,
Maybe
this way,
it
this
was
way,
just
this way.
a bubble.
What the?
Maybe.
Oh, it's a big. Oh, never mind. You can go around.
Uh-oh. Why is it telling me to run? Wait, right there behind. Find it.
Stop it. Stop it. No, I'm killing it. No, this ain't gotta die. Eee. Clap. Bro, we're by an idol, bro.
Where's he at?
I don't know. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Hey, turn your thing off.
I need a battery, not gonna lie.
Look, it literally landed right in
Oh,
That was crazy. That was an amazing throw, bro. That is insane, bro. Okay. Hey, bro, yeah, keep going that way. Hey, bro, don't get too far, bro. Don't get too far, bro. Where you going?
Where you go? Wait, where would you?
Bro, I'm back. I'm just walking, bro. But you walking all fast.
Oh,
I don't know why your character walk so fast.
what's the tape?
That
Oh,
battery
who threw that?
burned
That didn't throw
long
that?
gone. They get drained quickly.
Okay, use your
That's how I
compass.
know
Where
they're
we going
close.
now?
Oh, no, it's almost hold on. Wait for it to recharge. There you go. Yeah, keep going this way. Oh, it turned yellow this time. We must be real close.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
They go,
Wait, what happened? Oh yeah, idle. Okay, let's go this way. Wait, what's up? What's up? What's up? Oh.
Okay, my screen was telling me to run, bro. Somebody he nearby, bro.
Oh god.
Where's he?
No! 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 No!
Drop it. No, he got me.
No! I got him! I got him! I got him! I got him! I got him!
Right, this way.
There we go. Where you at? Okay. Okay. Turn your flashlight off. Let's just use a nightstick. Let's go.
Wait for my compass.
Bro, that nightstick did nothing, bro. Oh my god. It was right this way, bro.
It's in.
Nah, it's saying this way for me.
It's telling me to go this way. It's like yellow.
Yeah, it's yellow for me too.
Oh, he right there.
Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. What? Drake, I was literally flashing. That was some bull, bro. Now you just
You can still finish it, bro. Now you can still finish it. I'm right here with you.
okay.
Whenever I'm the ghost though, I can't see him. So
Oh, what's up? I was seeing
I
this
can see
way,
where all the
bro.
whatchamacallit's at though. There's an exit up there, but it's a whatchamacallit right here in front of me.
Okay, kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. You can walk up to it and kill it.
Oh yeah, that's right, I can. They get bandaged, they get bandaged. They look like a piece of SpongeBob.
Huh? Alright. It looks like SpongeBob.
Alright, bro,
Peace.
yeah, come on.
Yo.
Like a piece of SpongeBob. No, but whenever it like tells you to run or whatever, it means he's nearby.
Yeah, I figured that. Figured.
What is this? This man to the decoy. Oh, that's a decoy. Yo, we were following a decoy.
Following a
Of
decoy.
this, yeah, it was a decoy thing.
I don't know why, but when you said
I
that,
just destroyed it.
when you said that, that made my spine tingle. Like, he was really following a decoy the whole time. A ding, huh? A ding. What was it?
Ding?
Ding,
A ding?
dingling, huh?
You Indian? I think. I don't know why that made me think of Indian.
Wait, hold on. Okay, so now what?
Now you just gotta keep
Hey, why did my character just?
Oh,
Bro,
I
my
can
ca-
use the compass too.
Oh
Oh,
yeah.
this way. This way.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Hey, I ain't know I can use this shit.
I mean, I can't run, but
Here. You know, that's I'm patiently waiting. This is my color. I'm gonna destroy it.
yeah, kill that mug.
Yeah.
Bleak him, bleak him, bleak him, bleak him, bleak him.
Bing.
Like, let me see.
Wait. In a
Bro, I can't see where it's at, bro. My compass not working, bro.
Hold on. Oh, yeah, mine not either. Interesting.
Oh god. But what does that mean? Like, bro,
Is it? Are we here? Maybe. I'm looking around. Oh, bro, that. But I don't know why this wall.
What is
scared me
that?
when I looked up at it. Oh,
What is that?
It's a sigil right here.
oh, that's
Yeah,
the
I don't know, but
Huh?
the little turn around. It's a sigil on the wall right here. See
that's.
that?
Hold on, why
Can
is
you
it
collect
letting
that?
me press a button?
Yeah, it's a
Combination.
sigil. We gotta. Yeah. Yeah. So I was right. But this look like Baraka, bro, from Mortal Kombat. Huh. I don't know what these sounds is. Oh, it's another sigil right here.
Hey, one more.
So this must be. Oh, it's another thing right here you get to. I can't get it. That
Am I
might be a
good?
sigil.
Hope I'm good.
Yeah, go ahead and mess with that.
Oh, I hope I'm good.
You
Hold
see that
on.
glowing?
Yeah. Chest unlocked.
You see this beside you?
Yeah,
right
yeah.
there. Bing bong.
That's open chest. Now what? What did I get? What did I?
What did you get?
What
Did you get something?
Okay.
On
Wait,
to
my
the
compass
next.
works.
Yeah, it's saying over here.
I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna follow you. You walk faster than me anyway. Plus, I can see you in the dark. Bro, you literally glow in the
You can
dark,
see me in the
bro.
dark.
Yeah, bro.
My compass loads faster too. What is
Ah.
this? What is that RB? What is RB?
You gonna have to die more often. Not gonna lie. What?
Oh, I can burn that nigga? What is that?
What is that? Bro, what is that? Can I step on that?
Some kind of ability or something. I don't
Oh,
know.
can I touch it?
I don't know what that do yet. I probably wouldn't. Just recall it. Let me destroy this
I
thing.
mean, it do look kind of hot. Oh yeah, destroy that area. No. Ah, please.
Okay, he done for it.
Bro, I can't see you.
Yeah, we gotta go this way.
I can't. Oh, there you
I'm
go.
right. Yeah, we gotta go this way. I wish I could see that nigga. Yo, he within a minute though. Okay.
Boy, I wish I could run.
Like, I'm not even running. I'm just walking. I've been walking this whole time.
Yeah, but my character is so
Oh,
low
what's
with it.
that?
Wait, bro.
Am I tripping? It's like I heard something to swat in the air.
Hey,
Hold on, did we go this way? We can't go back this way. The only downside to this is that I can't see him whenever he pull up. So yeah.
That's fine. That's fine.
Oh, I tape nearby. That's bro. Yeah, that's bro. That's bro.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, that's where that radio stuff.
Everything is steady.
I see which one of these.
Death awaits everyone. Not
Just a
afraid.
race.
The question is, why I'm still
Oh,
alive.
yeah, kill that.
Bang. Goodbye. Listen,
Whoa.
these things everywhere.
Hold up, bro. We might win this. We might win. Hold on. We might win. Bro, I can't see you.
Let me just.
Bro, he.
Oh.
Are you
Well,
Are you serious, bro?
as soon as you said it too. We might
Why did I say anything, bro? Why did I say something?
Why you went as soon as you said that? That's ironic.
I say that and now I'm getting choked up. But my laptop finna die, bro. Anyway, yo, my laptop finna die, y'all. So I'm a highlight, y'all.
Yeah.